Hello everyone. In previous session, we had discussed about what is incidence matrix and what is adjacency matrix. Now, in today's session, we will see what is union of graphs, intersection of graphs and ring sum of two graphs. First of all, we will see what is union of two graphs. The union of two graphs G1 of V1, E1 and G2 of V2, E2 is another graph G3 of V3, E3 denoted by G3 equals to G1 union G2, where vertex set V3 is the combination of graphs of vertices V1 and V2 and edges set of graph G3 is the combination of E1 and E2 of graphs G1 and G2 respectively. Let's understand the union of two graphs by the given example. Consider two graphs G1 and G2 and we have to find union of these two graphs. Now we can write G3 equals to G1 union G2. Therefore, we can write V3 equals to union of V1 and V2 equals to, now count the vertices of both the graphs V1, V2, V3, V4, V5 and combination of edges of both the graphs, that is union of E1 and E2. E1, E2, E3, E4, E5 here we had write that common edges and vertices are written in single. Now by using the combination of these two sets we can create a union of two graphs as follows. This is the union of two graphs G1 and G2. Now let's understand what is intersection of two graphs. The intersection of two graphs G1 and G2 denoted by G1 intersection G2 is a graph consisting only of those vertices and edges that are both in graph G1 and G2, where vertex set V3 is the intersection of V1 and V2 and edge set of E3 can be intersection of edges E1 and E2. Let's understand intersection of two graphs using these two graphs, graph G1 and graph G2. Now we will represent the sets of vertices and edges as follows. Intersection means common in both the graphs. Here V1, V2, V4 are the vertices both present in graphs and edges E2 and E3 also common in both the graphs. By using these two sets, we had draw the graph G3 as an intersection. We will see what is ring sum of two graphs. The ring sum of two graphs G1 and G2 is denoted by G3 equals to G1 ring sum G2 is a graph consisting of vertex set V3 of union V1 and V2 and of edges that are either in graph G1 or graph G1 but not in both. That is, for making a ring sum of two graphs we have to remove common edges present in both the graphs but not the vertices. Now consider these two graphs G1 and G2. In it we can see that edge E2 is common and all vertices we have to represent in ring sum of graph. For making ring sum of these two graphs, first we have to draw all the vertices present in both the graphs V1, V4, V2, V3, V5. Now, except common edges, we have to draw all the edges present in both the graphs. Edge E1, edge E2 is common in both, so we need not to draw edge E2. E3 is also common. We need not to draw edge E3 in this graph. E4 is not common, therefore we will draw here E4. E5 is not common, we will draw here E5. Now we can see that this is the ring sum of these two graphs, that is graph G3. Thank you.